You ever wake up feeling drained for no reason? Like your motivation's gone, your drive is low, and everything just feels dull? It's not always stress or lack of sleep sometimes. It's because you've slowly been losing your masculine energy. Today, I'll show you 5 habits that silently destroy your testosterone and confidence and what to do instead. 1. Overstimulation. Constant dopamine hits from your phone, scrolling endlessly, watching random stuff, or chasing instant pleasure. It tricks your brain into thinking you're productive or satisfied, but in reality, you're drained. Your testosterone thrives on focus and challenge, not constant distraction. Start by doing a dopamine detox. Reduce your screen time, delete what doesn't add value, and spend at least 1 hour a day offline. That's how you rebuild real masculine energy through clarity. 2. Lack of physical struggle. Men were designed to move, lift, fight, build. If you're sitting all day, your body starts to forget it's a man's body. Your posture weakens, your hormones drop, your energy crashes. You don't have to become a gym rat, just move. Lift weights, do push-ups, sprint, anything that makes you breathe heavy. Testosterone responds to resistance, so give it a reason to grow. 3. Poor sleep. Most of your testosterone is produced while you're asleep. If you're getting 4 to 5 hours, you're literally cutting your masculine hormones in half. No supplement or workout can fix that. Aim for 7 to 8 hours, no screens an hour before bed, and sleep in total darkness. 4. Weak boundaries. If you let everyone walk over you, agree with everyone to avoid conflict, you're slowly killing your masculine core. Masculinity thrives on direction, not approval. Start saying no when something doesn't align with your values. That's not toxic, that's powerful. 5. Junk food and alcohol. Your body can't make testosterone if it's busy fighting inflammation from processed trash. Fast food, sugary drinks, and regular alcohol intake, they all reduce your T levels. Eat real food, eggs, meat, greens, nuts, olive oil, water. Your body will thank you, your mind will sharpen, and your masculine energy will come back stronger than ever. Masculine energy isn't about being loud or aggressive. It's about being focused, calm, and grounded. Cut these 5 habits out and watch how your body, your confidence, and your presence start to change. If you're serious about improving yourself, hit that like button and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.